So for those who don't know what Vlogmas is, it's basically you're filming every single day, activities and things that you're doing in the month of December from the 1st all the way until December 25th. Yay! Hey beautiful gems, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It is indeed a Vlogmas day 1. That looks like 11. 1. Vlogmas day 1. Uno. I gotta learn some new languages. As you guys can see, I have a Christmas tree behind me. It is officially December. I love Decembers. It makes me feel like the year is finally over because your girl has suffered a lot this year. And I'm just waiting for it to be over. Like, all jokes aside, I'm waiting for it to be over. So I'm super happy that this is literally the last month of this year before we start 2026, which I can't wait. I'm starting Vlogmas a little bit late. It is literally past time, okay? It's so dark outside. People are catching their Z's, and this is when I decide to pull my camera out and say, you know what, maybe I should try to attempt Vlogmas this year. It's gonna be a lot. I've put a lot of thought into it, and I've wrote a lot of fun and exciting things that I have in store for you guys. Maybe not as exciting as probably some YouTubers that you guys are watching, but I'm trying. So it's gonna be pretty calm, collective, exciting, surprising, and a lot of funny. A lot of funny. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Beautiful. I hope you're here to stay. My Vlogmas Day 1 video is going to be letting you guys know that I'm going to be participating in Vlogmas. I'm gonna try. It's a lot of work. I realize that I have to literally record and edit and post every single day all the way until the 25th of December. Super exciting. So this is my intro to my Vlogmas. I hope you guys are in tune, and if you guys started Vlogmas as well, let me know. Send me your links. I will watch them, period. So as y'all can see, the Christmas tree is already up. Sorry, I didn't get to vlog that part. I don't know, we might just do something like shopping tomorrow. I don't know, I can't wait, but I don't want to ruin the surprises for tomorrow. Y'all just gonna have to come back tomorrow and see what I got in store for you. I feel great. I've been contemplating on this for so long. I'm in oh my gosh, I'm like, today's December 1st, and I'm like, am I gonna do Vlogmas? Because if I do, I have to shoot a video today, edit it today, post it today. And can I do this for 25 days straight? Y'all know how life be lifing and how the unexpected be expecting. Like, am I really going to be dedicated to this? Am I really going to be posting every single day? I really hope so. I am going to try my best to, y'all. Like, I don't care. I am doing it, and I know one thing about myself is that if I say that I'm doing something, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna stick to it. So I'm pretty confident that I'm going to be doing it. I'm just listen, my life gets so chaotic sometimes that I cannot even register, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have to woosah a lot, but we're gonna make it through. You guys can give me some type of encouragement and a little motivation to keep going, because life is complicated, okay? We're gonna get as realistic as possible. Y'all know I like to keep it real with y'all. Y'all know I like to keep it really real, a little too real. I feel like you guys are probably gonna see the inside of my life super a lot, because it's literally every single day, and I feel so vulnerable. I think that's one of my biggest things, because I was like, oh my gosh, if I do like Vlogmas, this is literally going to reveal like the vulnerability in me, because like y'all literally gonna see my life. Well, not everything, but like you get what I mean. But like, yeah. So I'm not trying to make this video too long. This is literally the intro. Tomorrow's video is really what's gonna be the start of the Vlogmas, because we got some things to do tomorrow. And then on December 3rd is my bestie's birthday. So we definitely gotta plan something, y'all. Like, she has told me a couple of things that she wants to do, and I agreed to it. So you guys gonna get a little bit of insight on that on December 3rd. But I just can't wait, because it's gonna be my bestie's birthday, and we gotta go gift shopping for her birthday. Not only for her birthday, but also for Christmas. But I like to shop for gifts a lot earlier, so hopefully the gifts that we're gonna be choosing together, hopefully she's gonna like them. Let's keep that a secret. Rose butt is getting itchy because I'm sitting on the little thing in the bobber. It's soft, but it's making my butt feel a little itchy, so excuse the scratching. The rest of the night is basically going to be me just editing this video and posting it today. Late night. I know it's super late that I'm posting this, y'all. I'm so sorry. I was procrastinating all day. Not only today, all day yesterday. Because I was like, am I really gonna do this? Can I really do this? And it's not like I'm doubting myself. It's just that my life right now is a lot. And me already like saying I'm gonna do Vlogmas, bro, that is, I don't know if y'all realize, but that's a lot of work, okay? It's a lot of work, and it's a lot of energy, and y'all already know I'm trying to come to y'all with the energy, you feel me? But stay positive. I'm welcoming all the blessings and all the happy moments that this month is going to bring. I pray for health for sure. I pray for happiness and peace, and I pray for comfort for this month, and success, of course, for sure. And I hope the same for everybody who is watching. If you're watching, this is meant for you to hear it. You are in my prayers. Amen. Can we get an amen in the chat? Amen. Y'all want to celebrate Vlogmas with me? Join my journey and let's see what's in store. And yeah, I can't wait. Give this video a like to let me know like you're here for this journey. You're here for this ride. You believe in me. You believe that I can really do this Vlogmas and just go from day 1 to day 25. Like, you believe in me. Just like this video. Thank you. Appreciate it. Don't forget to comment and let me know, like, is this your favorite month too? Like, are you excited? Are you starting Vlogmas too? I wanna see. Okay, well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I post a new video every single day for Vlogmas, so you guys don't miss out. Period. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.